everyone, welcome to Abhyaas Kids. Today we will learn about air transport. Let's start it. This is aeroplane. It can take hundreds of people from one place to another. This is wind glider. We can use it for fun purpose. This is spacecraft, and also known as space shuttle. This is a biplane. This is a fighter jet. It is used during wars. This is a hot air balloon. People sit in its basket and fly from one place to another. This is a parachute, which is used during emergency. This is drone. It's used in many places. This is a helicopter. It can land vertically. This is a zeppelin. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Stay tuned for more videos.